Hello everyone, today we're gonna discuss about article and the title is Extramural English and Adult EFL Phonological Awareness and Correlation All Study by Lailatul Saada. My name is Munir Alfanani and let's start the discussion. So for the first topic is introduction. This article explores the benefit of extramural English activities for adult learners of English as a foreign language. EE refers to any exposure to English outside of the formal classroom setting. This can include activities like reading books and then articles, watching movies and TV shows, listening to music and using social media in English. And then the research highlights a positive correlation between the amount of time spent on EE activities and adult EFL learners' proficiency in various areas studies like improvement in oral fluency, vocabulary development, and writing skill, translations abilities, and overall understanding of the English language. The articles emphasize the value of EE as a tool for adult EFL, enhance their pronunciation and reading skill. It highlights the growing trends of out of classroom, particularly with the rise of technology that provides easy access to English media language. Overall, the article suggests that EE activities are have positive impacts and valuable, enjoyable way to adult EFL learners to supplement their classroom learning and improve their English skill. And then the second section is the methodology of the article likely outline the following steps of the researcher took the investigate and connection between extramural English and adult EFL learners phonological awareness. And in the research designs, correlation design includes on this research, helps measure the stretch and direction of the relationship between two variables, EE and PA, without establishing cores. And effect that study involve a specific group, likely the 32 adult EFL learners enrolled in the second years of a intentary English program. Data collections, instruments phonological awareness or PA. This test designed for adult non-native English speakers assigns the participants phonemes and one set rhyme. Awareness skills, extramural English. Questionnaire This questionnaire likely gathered information about the participants' exposure to English outside the classroom. It about the frequency and types of EE activities they engage in. And in the data analysis, in virtual it's statistical analysis correlation, researchers check for normals and linearity of the data wherever it meets the assumption for correlation analysis. If the data was normally distributed or linear, they likely use a non-parametric test like the Spearman's correlation. Consequence determines the stretch and direction of the relationship between EE and PA software. The analysis might have been conducted using a program like EPM SPSS statistic. And this is there are three data analysis that can we're talking about it later. This is three results that should talk about. For the first result is correlation between EE and adult learners or PA following the assumption test. A correlation test was used to determine the relationship between the amount of time spent by the uh, learners to do EE or extramural English, both C and V, and adult EFL learners PA. The overall EE and adult EFL learners PA revealed P value of 0.000 less than the value of 0.5, which indicates a significant relationship between learners EE and PA. See Table 3, the correlation value showed a strong correlation between the two variables R equals 0.8818 and equals 32. And then the second result is a correlation test we also use to determine the relation between the time the learners spend doing CEE and adult EFL learners PA. The SEE and adult EFL learners PA result reveals a variable of less than 0.5, including a significant relationship between learners CEE and PA. Second table 3, the correlation convention revealed a strong positive correlation between the variables. And then the third result is a correlation test was also used to determine the relationship between the number of time learners spend doing VEE and adult EFL learners PA. The result for VEE and adult EFL learners PA revealed P value of less than the value of, indicating significant relationship between learners VEE and PE. The correlation value showed a positive, strong correlation between the two variables. And then, so for the conclusion, this study investigated the link between adult EFL learners engaged in extramural English activities and their development of phonological awareness or PA. Reveals a strong positive correlation. Learners who report spending more time on activities like reading English and movies in English or listening to English music tend to have higher PA score. This suggests that EE can be a valuable tool for adult EFL learners to improve their ability to identify and manipulate the sounds of the English language. So thank you everyone for your time and attention, and see you in the next video.